Good afternoon, everyone. So we're back again, and we're heading to the the fish cave, not the man cave, but the fish cave, right there, fish cave. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to make a DIY kayak fish stringer. I come up with this idea from a buddy of mine named Robert. He actually has a commercial one made. I looked at it and said, you know what, I can make that. So with that being said, we're going to get here in the fish cave, and I'm going to show you how to make this thing as soon as I get all these doors opened up and quit squeaking and things like that. So stay tuned and we'll get right at it. Okay, what we're going to start today with is the DIY kayak fish stringer for all you kayak fishermen out there. Me personally, I do a lot of pond fishing here in southeast Georgia, so I'm able to catch fish and keep fish because in South Georgia we like fried fish. So what we're going to start off today is with, I'll show you the things I'm going to start with, is a carabiner. This comes from Harbor Freight for $1.99. So let's just go through our supplies right quick. Then you got some Eagle Call laser sharp barrel swivels. This is a number 5. I would suggest to go with a number 5 or higher. Just the hole is a little bit bigger for the line. This is where the fish goes at. This is actually the clip. You can buy Ozark Trail metal fish stringer from Walmart for $1.99. There are 9 hooks on that fish stringer, so actually you can make a 9 hook fish stringer for your kayak, but I'm only going to do 5 on my fish stringer. And then we have a piece of weed eater cord. I would say probably somewhere around the 2-foot range, because what we're going to do, it's going to be shortened up as you crimp it. And then you have these aluminum, these called ferrules. You can actually buy these things on Amazon. You can get 100 of them. These are 1/8. So in order to get the right ferrule, whatever cord you buy, as far as diameter wise, you have to make sure that that cord goes inside that ferrule. So when you set that ferrule down in there, and you'll be able to loop it back into the ferrule. So these fit this diameter line I have. These are 1/8 inch ferrules, and in order for them ferrules to stay on, you got to have something to crimp it down with. So I use just a regular pair of vice grips. They make pretty good crimpers. So okay, so we're going to show you how to do the first ferrule here. So you're going to take the line, put it in one of the holes of the ferrule, and then you're going to take your barrel swivel. As you can see here, your barrel swivel, and we're going to just loop it inside that hole of that barrel swivel. So that's the way you got it looking so far. The ferrule, the barrel swivel, and the end of the line. So what we're going to do is just going to loop right back over into that ferrule. So we're going to loop back up into that ferrule. I like this end of the line to be a little tighter. Loop. So that's the way that this end of the line is going to actually look. get it back in the ferrule. It popped out. That's the way it's going to look. Next, you're going to take your vice grips or your crimping tool. You're just going to place on here and just mash it down, lock it down. You're going to do that twice on each side. These things are aluminum, so they bend pretty easy. They crimp down pretty easy, just like that. Next, on the other end of the line, this is the loop that goes onto the carabiner. So you're just going to loop it just like that. Not hard at all. This is pretty easy. This loop's going to have to be a little bit bigger to go around the carabiner. So then you just lock it down. Just like that. Now, these things come apart. So you take this in, you put it right in there like that, and put your hook back together. They just clip on. So there you go. Just okay. So there's your whole fish stringer right there. So then you just clip it on the carabiner. There you go. Just a quick DIY project for you. Then you make 5 of these, and you just clip it on your kayak. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video, you subscribe to it. Stay tuned for more DIY projects and more fishing. We've got the tournament season coming up in 2022, so stay tuned for some tournament action from the SEG KBF club here in Southeast Georgia. Thank you for watching my channel, and pass it on to another fisherman if you like my channel, and get them involved in some DIY projects, and go from there. Okay, thank you for watching.